There's a patient of mine whose visit I still remember very clearly. She walked into my clinic looking anxious, holding back tears, and the moment she sat down, she said, "Ma'am, I'm only in my early 30s and my hair has already started turning white. I have tried everything I could find oils, supplements, masks, but nothing seems to help. After examining her scalp and understanding her routine, I told her something that immediately shifted her expression. I want to share something with you. A method inspired by a Japanese doctor who specialized in this field, and I added some of the South Asian blend myself. And after some time, the patient returned back with the full black hair. So now I want to share that remedy with you. So without wasting any time, let's straight up into the remedy. We begin with 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Now this may look like a small ingredient, but it plays a powerful role in the serum. These seeds must be soaked overnight because in their dry form, the beneficial enzymes and nutrients remain locked inside. When we soak them in warm water, something interesting happens. The seeds slowly start absorbing the water. They swell, becoming plump and soft, and also they release a gentle slippery gel-like coating. This gel is called the mucilage and it acts almost like a natural conditioner for the scalp. It helps reduce the dryness, improves the moisture retention, and creates a soothing protective layer. You will notice by the morning that the seeds have developed a slight sliminess. This sliminess tells us the enzymes have become active now and active ingredients deliver results. Keep these soak seeds aside, we'll use them soon. Now, on the other hand, take a pen. It can be either iron or the steel pen. I personally prefer iron because it may contribute trace minerals that support overall hair strength, but steel works perfectly fine too. Pour in 2 cups of filtered water. This water will become the core medium through which all the herbal nutrients are extracted. Let the water slowly come to a boil. A well heated water base helps each herb release its vitamins, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds effectively. Think of this as creating a warm, welcoming environment for all the botanicals to infuse properly. Once the water is boiling, gently add our first ingredient, which is gooseberry powder, also called as amla powder. Do not worry about the names. Whatever ingredients I have used, they all are linked in the description below. As it enters the hot water, you will observe a gradual shift in color from clear water to a soft earthy brown. This is a very good sign. It means the vitamin C, tannins, and antioxidants rich compounds are dissolving into the mixture. Amla is considered one of the most scientifically supported herbs for the hair pigmentation. It nourishes the melanin producing cells and helps create a healthier scalp environment that encourages natural black hair to thrive. Give it a gentle stir, allowing the powder to blend evenly. Next, add a small handful of curry leaves. Again, don't stress about the exact amount. Herbal recipes are forgiving by nature. As the leaves settle into the warm water, they begin releasing their green chlorophyll, their aromatic essential oils, and their nutrients rich extracts. You will notice a beautiful, fresh herbal aroma filling the air. This isn't just fragrance, it's your sign that circulation enhancing and pigment supporting compounds are now entering the water. Curry leaves have been used traditionally and are now recognized scientifically for supporting the melanin pathways in your hair. Now it's time to add our next ingredient. This is our fenugreek seeds that we already activated overnight. As soon as they touch the hot herbal decoction, they release even more of their mucilage, that gel like substance that helps thicken the serum slightly and also add natural slip to the mixture. This is very important because it enhances the hydration, helps soothe dry or irritated scalp, and assists the serum in spreading smoothly without dripping excessively. Fenugreek also contains compounds that help support the healthy hair pigmentation and growth, making it an essential part for this formula. Next, add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are remarkable because they create a natural gel when heated. As they boil, they slowly release a thick, silky mucilage that enriches the texture of your serum. This gel helps the serum to stay on the scalp longer, also to absorb more effectively, and to deliver the nutrients in a controlled, gradual manner. If you want the serum thicker, you have to simply add a little more flax seeds or you can increase the simmering time. But if you prefer a lighter consistency, keep it as it is. Now allow the entire mixture to simmer on low heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Low heat is absolutely essential because it prevents the delicate compounds in your herbs from breaking down. During simmering, the color deepens, the aroma becomes richer, and the texture slowly shifts into a slightly sticky, silky consistency. These changes tell you the base is fully infused and ready for the next stage. Take your time with this simmering step. This is where most of the extraction magic happens. You can trust me. Now prepare fresh onion juice by grating and squeezing a small red onion. Red onions naturally contain a high level of catalase enzymes, which plays a key role in supporting natural hair color. Make sure the juice is freshly extracted because these enzymes break down quickly if stored. Here's the key details. Add only 2 spoons of onion juice only when the serum is warm, not hot, not too cold. If it's too hot, the enzyme will break down, and if it's too cold, the infusion won't blend properly. So make sure you put it when the temperature is warm. Warm temperature creates the ideal environment for the enzymes to integrate with the herbal base. You will notice the serum becomes slightly cloudy. That means the onion activates are binding effectively now. At this stage, you may add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You know why? Because aloe offers 2 major benefits. First, it instantly thickens the serum, giving it a smooth gel-like texture that sits comfortably on your scalp. And second, it acts as a natural preservative, which means it slows the bacterial growth and also extends the serum shelf life from 1 week to nearly 2 weeks in the refrigerator. If you have oily scalp, you may skip aloe if you prefer a lighter feel. But if you have dry, itchy, or sensitive scalps, aloe vera is highly recommended. Allow the entire mixture to cool completely to room temperature. And this is very crucial because the ingredients we're going to add later will lose their potency when added to a hot mixture. This next ingredient is our essential oil. Once cool, add 5 to 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary oil is well documented for enhancing the scalp blood flow, supporting the melanin activity, and also promoting the stronger, healthier hair growth. Remember, essential oils are potent, so do not exceed 10 drops. Your serum is ready now, so transfer it into a clean bottle. If the serum is thin, use a spray bottle for easy application. If it's thicker, apply it with your fingertips like a soothing scalp gel. Massage gently and allow it to absorb fully. There is no need to rinse it out.
Let this serum stay and dry on your hair and then apply a toner to lock the black color. That toner you can see on the screen. Click there and I'll see you there. Any question, feel free to comment down below.